Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
When the mind is perfectly purified by this practice of yoga, one should concentrate on the tip of the nose with half-closed eyes and see the form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is clearly mentioned here that one has to meditate upon the expansion of Vishnu. The word Kashtam refers to Paramatma, the expansion of Vishnu. Bhagavatam refers to Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Supreme Godhead is Krishna. From him comes the first expansion, Baldev, and from Baldev comes Sankarshan, Aniruddha, and many other forms, followed by the Purusha Avaras. As mentioned in the previous verses, Purusharkanam, this Purus is represented as the Paramatma, or Supersoul. A description of the Supersoul, upon whom one must meditate, will be given in the following verses. In this verse it is clearly stated that one must meditate by fixing the vision on the tip of the nose and concentrating one's mind on the Kashtha, or the plenary expansion, of Vishnu.